Welcome friends. In this video I am talking about a new feature added by WhatsApp Messenger. It's entirely new. When we were previously connect our mobile through WhatsApp in browser, so we were simply limited to receiving or sending text. Now desktop version has been introduced, and you can send and receive voice call along with the video calls. So just connects one, and you need not to locate your phone again and again. Let's jump to the screen and see how it does. Now you can see that the browser is open, and I press web.whatsapp.com, and you can see the icon which is scanned by my computer, and now my mobile WhatsApp connection has been established with the computer. So you can see, and you can note that above the name of Alishir or parallel to it, there is no sign of either call option or video. So let's see, install it from Microsoft Web, the latest version, which is called desktop version. So that is open, and type in search WhatsApp desktop app or desktop version. This is the first one we selected. Now you can see that it's downloading. Press install. It will automatically go for installation, although that takes time, so I stop it here, and simply I went ahead. This will appear, so you can write your number or XYZ number, whatever is in your use, or you can also use your email in case if you would like. And if you go ahead, so this will appear, date of birth, etc., so you can fulfill it. Now you can also see that download is okay, it's done. Now you can see that it's open desktop version. You can see that I am making a call. In the right corner
Assalamu alaikum.
you have saw voice graph, and this is video call. Later on I'll show you the difference of both at a time, because in case if you have already installed desktop version and you use web browser, so that will not work properly, or that will show you as it was before. So the first one is connected through website, and now it's connected through web. Now I'll scan it, and it's connected. Now see Mr. Alishir at two different locations. At one camera and my phone sign is available, and upper side is lacking it. The upper side is browser version, and the lower one is desktop version. So the difference is visible. I'll show you exactly what's ahead. Now this is the pictorial view of the both. You can easily differentiate between the two. You can also connect browser along with the app in a single mobile at one time. However, to use it you will go to one. So I am now went to browser option, use this, and now I'll go back to app version, which is hidden. Now you press use this, so this one appears while the other one disappears. This is the main difference. If you can see that both are working, but you need to use one preferably. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.